Hello, this is Uzumaka from the Women of Remarkable Destiny. I just want to encourage you today with all this thing that's going on in the world today with COVID-19. I want to tell you about two scriptures, um, three that have been a blessing to me. Exodus 12:12. It says, "For I will pass through the land of Egypt this night, and will smite all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, both man and beast, and against all the gods of Egypt. I will execute judgment, proving their helplessness. I am the Lord." But verse 13, "The blood shall be for a token or sign to you upon the doorpost of the houses where you are, that when I see the blood, I will pass over you, and no plague shall be upon you to destroy you when I smite the land of Egypt." I want you to know that in the midst of everything, the blood of Jesus is our protection. Plead the blood, apply the blood over your lives, you're going out and you're coming in. And in John chapter 14, verse 27, it says, "Peace I leave with you. My own peace I now give and bequeath to you. Not as the world gives, do I give it to you. Do not let your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. Stop allowing yourselves to be agitated and disturbed. And do not permit yourselves to be fearful and intimidated and cowardly and unsettled." So that is the word of the Lord. Do not let your heart be troubled. And finally, Psalm 91, it says, "Those who live in the shelter of